The Statue of Liberty's full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. It is a gift from France to the United States, and was dedicated in 1886. The Statue of Liberty is made of copper, and her skin is actually green. This is because the copper has oxidized over time. The Statue of Liberty is 151 feet tall, including her pedestal. The torch is 35 feet tall. Originally made of copper, but it was replaced with aluminum in 1916. The crown has 25 windows. These windows represent the 25 jewels in the American flag. There are 354 steps from the bottom of the pedestal to the top of the crown. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. About 4.2 million people visit her every year. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom and democracy. She has been a beacon of hope for immigrants and refugees for many years. I bet you never knew that.